Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's today now your first day, you just come across my video. Please just hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Anytime I upload video, you'll be the first person to watch. My subscribers, thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you guys. Keep watching. Please thumbs up guys. Hey, about saga when they go on for social media. My God. Waiting now, our people. The saga, at least, me will see reduce and small now. Of it, beneath they see they use a make parable say salt don't too much for soup. You know go fit chop am. This saga too much. Me they reduce this saga. Not be every time saga. Go bring wetin you get for house come. You not get anything. Your family they will come go video. Wetin they go on for Nigeria. Come out for social media. Ha! God pass now. Waiting. Who bab low cut when tint in hair? They'll say a baby low cut tint in hair. You not see money, you not cost money to take buy a wig. Abi na waiting that one come me. You the dress na wish. Not be waiting like. Person buy wish cloth put on for body. He buy H&M. Put for body. Not be cloth na anywhere. Una forget say our celebrity for Nigeria, they will come UK or America, they will come sample that H&M bag. They will the carton now when they if you buy things when they'll come put you come buy their bag now when they'll put on. You see they'll even use this thing take sample snap. When you see the H&M logo, say they come Europe. Not be people beyond those ones. Not be celebrity. What would be say with the respect? What would they hate? Not be H&M clothes. When be say if you put for water, you don't turn to. You go wash. Then people see they laugh. People when be say they buy the order the one they order. Eh? Why not like to bring people down? Where people when they social media, most of them, I not say now all of them, where most of them they like to bring people down. You know wear cloth wahala, you wear cloth problem, you carry wig for head, they'll say you they come the show. You not carry put for head, they'll say you not see money to take buy wig put for head. Say your money na man, now you dey pack your money give. Wait till all those ones mean. Okay, best friend now get quarrel, say they not they do again. Which one people can they talk about now? Everybody go waka your own go. They not plan their womb to get for one place. I know they do. You no want do again. Where people like to they knock, they cause problem. Now by force to say I won't make friend, or I know they do again. Now by force. Why be say two friends go over see they go and they'll say no worry, you see the met 12 now. Una go see set. What did they set for? Okay, me that friend one now they come they make. Una no waiting una they come they make friend for. Most of una when they make friend so. Me that una no waiting una they make friend for. Some of una now waiting they inside the skirt down na come they find. No be friend una want me go with. No be friend una they come they find. Now waiting they inside that skirt una come they find. All these people. Waiting day in room, una come bring one word, come they find word for people man. So now say una they make friend. Now friend be that one. Friend, no matter anything when they happen, you no go bring the other of your friend out. That's so they think they make friend. When una own friend just come, just turn everything. They say papa, they say mama self, they see everybody waka your own. Talk less friend when we just jump from nowhere. We be say the topic talk for social media, you no gree finish. I not come here can't insult anybody, but I'm person the thing they tire person. We no use the one mind our business at all. I know say myself I say count on myself join. We don't want to mind our business. Now people business now with the face. Two friends, he go set for you. Waiting set for the other one. He go see set for you. He go see do this. He go still happen to you. Waiting all those ones. Waiting all those things mean. If white people come they see all this saga, what would they do so? Which respect they would they give us? Because we dey feel say white people no dey watch all these things, all this saga wey we dey do. We dey think say white people no dey watch. They dey watch am. They dey see wetin the saga as we take dey fool ourselves. They dey see everything for social media. We forget all the lie when we lie. Una wey even dey do all this thing, una forget say una lie. Enter this Europe. Tomorrow now, if government na dey they come dey use and deal with una now, una go say the country people no dey okay. Whereas una now, they come dey fool una self for social media. Some people dey now, they get wetin they take chop aduro. They don't forget wetin they take chop aduro. Later they will say they collect document for their hand. When be say the other one carry your matter come put for social media. Una think say people not dey watch am. Say people not dey see una secret. No, say all these white people they see una. They see everything una. They forget say we dey throw away pidgin English. People dey want go translate am for them, and they even get translator how to take do am. Una don't forget say una chop aduro. Say na something una take chop aduro. Some even talk say they don't even get pikin. They carry and come throw the pikin for social media. Some people say they don't get papa. They carry papa, come throw for social media. Some people say they don't get family. They carry family. They come throw for social media. Who even deny? Who even say no get house? If they carry a house, they come put for social media. Because una no know wetin everybody use to chop in aduro for where in dey. Una just dey knock each other head together. Wetin? Mona quench this fire. This everyday go. You know the tire una. You know the tire. Everyday fight. Waiting on reach to quarrel now. Use and quarrel. Things even they go on for the world. They treat our people bad for China. We know who see all those ones come they talk. Now people who know wear cloth wear, who know who wear Chinese cloth, now come they talk. Who wear the one not be marker, now come they talk. Who they barber, now come they talk. Who no face waiting the world, waiting people they pass through. God pass all of now. When they cause some problem, most of now when they cause problem. Who just do na small thing now? Una don't carry video, go in family house, go video and come put for social media. Who just do na this one? Una don't find one or two things when una don't know about herself. Wait till una don't even know about them. Whether you get pikin or you not get pikin, una carry on social media, una come talk am, and you don't know anything about that person. Wait till you don't know about person, more na not they talk am. If una don't know anything about people, more na not they talk am. More na face una business. Everybody come social media can't do business. Now business everybody can't do. Must you use me blow? Must I use you blow? If I want the way you take blow, I go come meet you. Teach me how you take blow. All these things once they look now stinginess they cause all this problem. One are just the cause. So this one no want me I be like you. You know I don't want me you be like me. We are for the get. I don't want me you get. You see all the stinginess where they carry us they go. Greedy. You the chop. I the chop. I don't want me you chop. You see where they carry us all of us they go. Social media, it go if you reach everybody tone, everybody they go pay. But why they come they use people they blow? I don't know. If you not say the other one sabi the road, tell them please I beg, show me the road. How they take the do. If that one beg you show a road. Done for we to they kill ourselves in now. We they kill ourselves. All this greedy, you don't get where you want carry us go. See, if you like, we use all the money to build mansion. They not fast in the mansion. The day when we say the end, you don't get anyone who would they carry go. All these clothes who they pack put for body, won't wear the best gold, won't wear the best clothes. You don't get where would they carry that they go. All this one now, all of them go. If you fall for grand now, all of them they fall for one. So you don't get where greedy they carry us they go. If you like, may you use your money to do what you want. You don't get where they carry us they go. I beg, the quarrel don't too much. Not too like quarrel. I don't know why not like quarrel. This one I go come go talk say Benin people. This one go come go say Yoruba. All of them not be the same thing. As they see good for Benin, not be so that they see bad. As they see good for Yoruba, not be so that they see bad. They get tribe more good for that Nigeria. They get the tribe more not still good for that Nigeria. When be say everything, they will say Benin. The thing just they tire me. And our people say they just even make the thing the worst. Why not they make the things the worst? Okay, this one I go say Benin people they don't start. Benin people they don't start. May we say see, may we stop now. May they this name, may they respect this name for God's sake. May they respect this name. As they use Benin people name, they rub ground, now they like them. Because anything will happen, I don't say na Benin people. Anything anything na if they sneeze na they say na Benin people. Waiting as they use this tribe, they take the rub ground. I don't know whether you get wetin una dey enjoy for inside. Small time una say Oba Atokpe, una come dey talk Oba Atokpe when be say una dey use the Oba this thing they use to the rub ground. No be green snake under the green grass, no reach the other side, no do like say una be better people, no come the other side, no do like say this and that. Because if una really value that tribe, una respect Oba, una go follow Oba repair that name, that word. When busy people go say Bini. Waiting, nobody Bini dey na. Even if we popular, even if Bini popular, but that bad name when they put follow that name, you know they okay. We need to remove them from that name. We need to remove that bad name from that. When we say everything they will say na Bini. Even Bini people say go over see they say if you do Emma, and whereas you be weirdo, and whereas you not a bad person for his side. I beg, mona repair that state, Not only that state they go to use they talk say Bini no good. Waiting una come dey enjoy for inside. Mona follow Oba repair states. No be so Bini no good. Whereas now no good. Abi for inside the Bini, they don't see the one way good. They don't see better people not did that Bini. Ishan go say Bini people not good. Bini people go say Ishan people not good. Bini and Ishan, which they be? They not be brothers and sisters. Yoruba and Bini, they not be brothers and sisters. Well, now do they turn everything. You see what our government costs on our body. Because now our government costs on because our government, when we say our government don't put discrimination for grant, why we not go to discriminate ourselves? Because we discriminate ourselves because now waiting the grand. They'll say they don't want me East rule. They don't want me Yoruba rule. Now let not want the rule. Discrimination. All those are discrimination. Problem not going to come. We not going to get problem between ourselves. Because that one we don't hate ourselves. This one go talk, go say Yoruba no good. This one go say Igbo no good. This one go say Hausa no good. This one go say Benin no good. For inside all this tribe now, you get the one no good. You get the one they not they see bad. No one way bad no day. No one way good no day. So my people, wanna leave una comment down below. Wait una think for all this saga when we say they go on for social media. So wanna not worry. When we Igbo don't come, well, when we come rule that Nigeria, all this rubbish we don't want to see them. All this saga when they go on, so we not go see them. So when they come, Igbo they come rule. So they come rule Nigeria. So wanna respect una self. That discrimination will need to remove them for granted before Igbo will come rule. If not, so all of una will go put una for one place. All of una when they discriminate. So Mona ready. IPO they come. Mona join me. Because me, I defend way I won't change my passport now. Come out from that Nigeria. Because that Nigeria country don't tire me. Nigeria when we say that they discriminate. Now they tell the issue where we did so. When we say we say we discriminate ourselves. We not like ourselves. Love not there. We not get love for ourselves. Me, I won't change my passport. I don't want Nigeria passport again. May IPO come out. May I go do IPO passport. Now that one me I did after. So my people wanna leave una comment down below. Una go see me in my next video. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye bye.